Today I'm going to show you quick and easy breakfast recipe, no stuff aloo methi paratha, potato and fenugreek bread. So let's start making the aloo methi parathas. Into the pressure cooker pot, take 1 cup of water to steam the potato. Cover the pressure cooker, put the whistle on and hear about 3 whistles on a medium to high heat. Here I have the fresh fenugreek leaves, methi. Dried fenugreek leaves can be used if the fresh one is not available. Chop fenugreek leaves as much fine as you can. If you do not have fenugreek leaves on hand, you can use other greens like spinach, even spring onion goes really well in this recipe. Hari pyaz. Let's check the potato. Peel potato and keep aside. Into the mixing bowl, take 1 cup of wheat flour, chapati atta, 1/4 cup of besan, chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, coriander cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon haldi, turmeric, salt to taste. Mix it all. Using the potato ricer, mashed potato or the potato can be shredded straight into the flour mix. Next, I'm going to add hari mirch, green chili, adrak, ginger. Hari mirch and adrak can be added as per your preference. 2 tablespoons of oil. 1/4 cup of plain yogurt can be added as well to make parathas softer. Then I'm going to add chopped fenugreek leaves. Also going to add amchur powder. If you don't have amchur powder, you can use lemon or lime juice. Mix it all really well. Now add water as you go and prepare the pliable dough, not too soft, not too hard. Easy to roll kind of dough, like so. Cover and let the dough rest for about 15-20 minutes. When ready to make parathas, knead the dough one more time and divide the dough into 6 equal portions or 7 depending on the size you want your parathas to be. And keep the bowl covered until you are ready to use the dough. Here I have the dry flour for dusting. Take a little amount of dry flour and start rolling the paratha. Not too thin, not too thick. Let me show you the thickness of the paratha. Now heat up the pan on a medium to high heat to roast the parathas. I prefer to use my stainless steel pan here. When the pan is slightly hot, place the paratha into the pan and start roasting or baking the parathas. After about 60 seconds, check the first side. If you see few brown specks, flip it over and let the other side bake. When the other side is also baked, flip and smear little amount of oil and keep on baking until it's a nice and golden brown color like this. And the yummy looking paratha is ready to be served with masala chai, or it can be served with raita or the pickle. And these parathas are perfect for a lunch box as well. Alright, so I'm done making all the aloo methi parathas. You can roll them for the lunch box like so and serve with pickle or the yogurt or both. It's totally up to you. They come out really nice and soft. With the same paratha dough, you can make puris. So roll the puris and fry puris. You will get nice and green puris. One of my favorite paratha with masala chai, or you can serve with pickle and yogurt. You can just season yogurt however you like. I usually add red chili powder, ground cumin, a little bit of salt, and if desired, a little bit of sugar can be added. And here I have the lemon pickle, or you can just serve with mango pickle, even chutneys. But these parathas can be eaten just as it is as well. They taste amazing. My kids love to just spread a little bit of ghee, clarified butter on it, and take it in the lunchbox as well. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavanaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Bhavana's Kitchen is almost everywhere. You can download Bhavana's Kitchen apps for free. You can also watch me on a big TV screen through the Roku channels. Thanks for watching and see you soon.